Why is the market going down? Why is the market going down? All of that coming back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. How you guys are doing? So why did the market have such a horrible week last week? What happened to the market last week? Why is it down 600 points? What was the cause of the market to go down so much? So let's look into that a little bit more closely and find out why the market was down by 600 points. Now, if you guys follow my videos from last week, you'll see that there was a lot of reports of earnings coming in. A lot of companies were actually reporting earnings for the week, for last week. And I did put out, so with that being said, the market performance didn't actually perform to the best of its ability. We also saw that on Friday, we had the big oil companies putting out their reports and Chevron actually missing on their analyst reports. We see Apple having a fantastic month for the month of December, but yet even with their earnings coming in, their stock really didn't actually move up at all. If anything, it actually dropped. So we're actually seeing some kind of correction on the market, believe it or not, guys. We see Apple also put out their earnings out, and we also saw a lot of other tech companies that actually put out their earnings out as well. So we got AMD that put out their earnings out there, and we can see actually how this was basically the beginning of what happened to the market and how the market started to fall. We also had the Feds, and they're talking about their Fed hike coming in. And of course, with that always being on the back of the market, that kind of brings down the market. We also saw the bond yields also, which also triggered the market to start to panic. Now, basically, the reason why the market went down is because you had a lot of new investors that came in last year, who came into the market, who tried to capitalize into the market from last year coming in because they saw that it was an actual potential big gains to get last year coming in. So these new investors that came in, actually now, when they're coming in now and saw this, they see 600 points, a lot of them panic and they jumped out. So they got their little gains, they got out. Hey, it is what it is. And now they're happy and they're gone. But if the market teaches us anything, it teaches us that it's for the long run. So, of course, if you're a short-term investor, then yeah, you got your gains and you're happy and you're good to go. But it's nothing to panic for the long-term investor. So for those people that actually are long-term investors, it was a great opportunity to actually capitalize on a lot of these companies that actually went down. So on that downhill, a lot of people actually was able to buy these stocks now and actually hold on to it, hoping that, you know, down in the future, these stocks will actually move up. So it was a win-win situation when you look at it, even though the market is down, but it was a win-win situation for the most experienced investor coming in. So the experienced investor actually took the opportunity to take that kill shot and actually get those stocks at a cheaper price. For the unexperienced investor, he saw it as a way of taking his gains and running away with whatever he got. So like I said, it's a win-win, guys. All right, so what do I see for the market coming in this week? Where is the market going this week here? Do we see the market going up, or are we going to see another disaster with the market and we're going to see another 600 points going down? So my personal opinion, I believe that we are in a correction coming in, and there's going to be a lot of things that's going to be corrected with the market. We also see that with that going along, we're going to see that a lot of experienced investors are actually going to start moving some of their portfolio around and start shifting some of their stuff, because basically that's what they like to do. And with that being said, we're also going to see that the market itself is going to actually pick itself up and dust itself off. So it just is what it is, guys. Market is going back up. Nothing to worry about. Nothing really. So for me personally, the market is going to struggle on Monday a little bit, but it's going to come on a little up. By Tuesday, it should be somewhere around there. And by Wednesday, I'll come up with another video and let you guys know exactly where the market is at and which way the market is moving as we go along. So hopefully this was an insightful video. Remember, don't lose hope and don't lose sight of your dreams. Whatever you do, always keep your eyes on the prize. And like always, more gains, more gains, more gains. Giving it your maximum effort. Peace out.